Lois, what's going on here?
It's JustGoopin, Peter.
Chloe, turn for the camera. It's JustGoopin.
JustGoopin.
Chloe, where do I
Alex,
go?
Alex,
Fucking left.
How?
you turn?
I've never driven in my life.
Uh-oh.
Chloe, do we have a chance?
Chloe!
Not a chance. No, semi.
Go
behind this truck.
Okay.
Yes!
Oh my god, it's a little
bright.
Is it because of my legs? Yeah. I heard it was really shiny. And we were arm wrestling. She was like, "You could be cast in Twilight without any makeup." I'm gooping. Shit. There's somebody else.
All right, Chloe, you need to scream at that car.
Oh, okay, this one.
I didn't actually expect you to really go through.
Screw it, them.
Let's give me the
Bro!
Hey, dude.
Bro!
What the fuck?
Bro! Sorry, I lost my cool there for a second.
Oh yeah, no, it's okay. No, I think it needs to be louder. Yeah. Okay.
Hi, Valen. Hold on. Let me
Wait.
clean my face. Oh, what? Are you at your house?
No.
Where the fuck are you?
Today, me, Alex, and Janelle are breaking into Valen's apartment, and we're gonna show you how to do it too, so that you never have to wait for your Valen.
This is on the first floor, right?
We got this. First things first, there's the door. The door, right over there.
Mhm. Wait, which one?
The
Bruh.
That one?
Okay, and then follow me. This is the balcony. This is where we're going to without breaking it, because we want Alex to take my stuff.
Oh.
Wait, we're gonna look like we're actually breaking it.
We are.
Come in here, Chloe.
Okay.
Okay.
It's locked.
There's barely any room.
There's literally a bar going across. Why do you
Come
think
here.
this is gonna work?
There's enough room for both of us. Come on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Room for one
Close that
more?
door.
All right, bye guys. What a beautiful day. How do you recommend breaking into Valen's apartment? Oh, he's mewing. Sorry. All right, guys.
I'm really upset. I'm really upset that Valen wouldn't leave his back door open for me. I really wanted to go.
You're too close.
You're gonna start kissing.
Oh. Your fingers are letting a little bit light through. Okay, we saw his truck pull up.
I want to take a picture too.
I'm not getting a good look. There he is.
There he is. God, he's so sexy.
Oh my god, it's Valen! Oh my god!
Touch you.
House going on backwards. I'm gay now.
Okay, we did the Valen technique of Valen breaking into Valen's house. So, he's just gonna let us in. So what are you doing?
I'm looking at Valen's fridge. So look, he doesn't put his pasta in Tupperware. He just puts the whole ass pan in. And if you go a little bit lower, you can see just a cut up bell pepper. Also, half a lime with the sticker still on. Right on.
Shut up.
Nothing. There's nothing wrong.
Don't worry about the cheese. This would be an extra dinner. The lime can go away. You want salsa? It's good.
There's another pepper half in there.
Okay.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
How fast?
My
There we
back
go.
sure does hurt. Only someone can give me a massage.
It would be a shame.
Oh my god!
I hate this thing.
Are you recording for chips?
Yeah. Okay. It really does look like God just sitting behind this big light.
Watch out.
Okay, start recording.
All she does is yap.
As you're in shorts.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
What's up, goopers? Sorry.
Didn't notice I was wearing.
Today we're gonna be opening
I shaved my legs for you.
Pokemon cards, Lost Origin box, and Charizard. Pokemon.
I can't put that up there.
Okay, Pokemon.
Pokemon cards.
Check that promo. That's a
Beautiful
Charizard.
promo.
Look at how cool that Charizard is.
I cannot see anything right now. Let's get some close-ups, you guys.
Yeah.
Close-ups, you guys.
Charizard. Wait, Charizard. Look.
I'm doing it.
No, look. Open it up. Oh shit. With the Zard. Dude, this is, if we pull anything worth money, we're gonna mess it up. Charizard.
Oh, Charizard.
Chloe.
No, let me do the close-ups.
Wait, then I'm
Alex, I want to do the close-up.
Okay, do a close-up, do a close-up.
I'm doing a close-up right now.
Hey, eyes up here.
Sorry.
Now we have
Close
the
up.
base.
Here's a base for the thing.
These wings are fire.
Thank you, my
Thank
little,
you.
my little cherub.
Call me a cherub?
My little cherub.
A little cherub.
My beautiful boy. There's a code card.
Oh, yep. Here's the code
Don't
card.
bother using it. I'm
Here you
gonna.
go. Alex forgets to scan it. Here you guys
You're
go.
not
Pokemon.
doing it right.
All right, there's the Charizard. There's the
Charizard.
Charizard, and then there's the Alex, what's that one?
It's Charizard.
No, the other one.
That's Charizard.
Top text, bottom text.
Bruh.
Here, Chloe, I'll show you how to do it. Okay? Can you get it open? Oh, dude, I bet them so bad. Okay, we have to be careful, because if anything's worth money, we can't ruin it, or else I'll be sad. So, this is a
Code
code,
card for
and that's the energy.
That's
You
it.
do one at a time, and then the last one is the chance at the rare card, okay? Limit.
First card, limit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby. Limit.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Put the price on screen.
Yeah, price on screen.
Catapult over here.
Yeah.
Oh yep. 0.02
We got
cents.
60
sorry,
cards
sorry.
in this box.
Barboach.
Barboach.
Focus.
Do like a funny thing about him.
Barbo.
What's a funny fact about him? Fun
Barbo,
fact.
His
flip a
penis
coin,
shape.
heads your turn.
Penis shaped.
Turn. Count.
Hand me the bottle.
Ow.
Next
Ball
one.
wow.
Chloe, there are 60 cards. We cannot be going this
You were
far.
I'm gonna.
Palpitoad.
Oh.
What?
What'd
Okay,
you do to
ignore
him?
that. Ignore that. Palpitoad.
Palpitoad.
Where's Hollow?
Wait, wait.
Oh, big.
Oh, close-up shot on that. Close-up shot on that.
Palpin.
Palafin full art.
let me see.
Huge. It's a fire card. Look at it.
Thanks for using.
Put it in the
Oh, there's another
sleeve.
card. No way. This is like a $40 card, Chloe. You just pulled like a $40 card. It's insane, Chloe. I'm gonna make out with you.
Glamour shot.
Get away from me.
Okay, here's the glamour shot.
Look at this, bro.
I won't do it in front of you.
This is a big pack.
Alright,
So
okay.
first here, you guys, we got the
Uh-oh, that's
we got
controversial.
the
Why?
Drilbur.
Drober Soot, he touches
He
children.
touches children, he bites them.
Pokemon is known as the groom Pokemon. He spends time playing on Dream SMP and watching Dream SMP.
We got a Cubchoo.
Cub-
Oh,
Got
Spoink! I love Spoink.
Spoink.
If
We
he
got
stops bouncing, he
Spoink.
will die.
Yeah,
Oh, no,
that's
Spoink.
Spoink. China
We got a
Mall.
Dynamo. Look at that little sperm.
Oh, last card is a Darkrai regular rare.
Dark.
Oh, it's a hollow. Sleeve up. I didn't know it was hollow. That's cool.
All right, now we got a Sudowoodo.
Oh.
We got a Sudowoodo.
Pelipper. Reverse hollow.
Grafairy.
Grafairy.
Perfeye.
And a.
And a
Oh, let's sleeve that one up. That's a wow. Chloe's got luck. Let's see if my luck beats hers. It's gonna be pretty hard.
You got the wing sauce?
It's gonna be pretty hard to beat almost Benson. Let's see here. Chloe, I don't think we.
I crushed the alien. Well, I crush the alien. I crush the alien. I crush the alien. Huh?
You want me to record? Yeah. Do it again, do it again. Ouch.
Hey, only I can look at balance. Only I can look at balance.
Dream. He lures kids away, and he touches them. That's Dream. Dream reference in Pokemon. We got Beach Court. He's actually a pretty good trainer. That's a good trainer. And then we got a Hollow Halucha. We're gonna sleeve that up because we like hollows around here.
Well, what's he shaking?
Asshole. I'm gonna actually build a deck with it.
You're gonna build a dick with it.
Raw. Holographic card.
Look at this thing. It's so cute.
Do you want it? Let me see. Let me see. Do you want it?
Yes.
That's your Pokemon.
That's the cutest little Shroodle. Oh my god.
Keep it in balance. Oh, for the
Why
camera?
are you giving this to Janelle?
No, it's for the camera. Next side video.
Yeah.
Food review. Food review is Chloe.
Rotom Electric.
This is in the other video. You can't see this.
Chansey.
Oh, we're doing 2 videos at once. Food reviews, Pokemon, and then
okay?
Subway Surfers.
That's a pretty good card.
Are they good?
Oinklog. Chloe, look. Do you like this one, Chloe?
Oh, good.
You like this one? It's
Which
a little
one?
Pig guy.
Here, I'm
And a great Just Full Art EX. Holy shit, 2 full arts out of 1 box. That's crazy. That's crazy. Ancient Great Tusk EX. Look at that. Full art. That's beautiful.
Whoa, it's like Don
That's
Fan.
beautiful.
I'm not a big fan of the sauce. It kind of tastes like a roll on a salad.
Okay.
But it's got spice.
Giratina box is up next. And now we're going to be opening the Giratina Lost Trainer box, Elite Trainer box. And it's going to come with a cool book that has all the different cards in the set. And we can look at which cards we want. Noah's going to open 4 and then I'm going to open 4.
Making sure they know I'm in it.
Here we go.
Yeah, for our deaf viewers out there.
Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second, baby girl.
I know that guy!
Oh, shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Another full art trainer, dude. These are expensive, dude. We might have just paid off the box.
Oh my god!
Holy shit!
Holy
Holy shit! Kieran VMAX full art.
What's that?
We're in the green. We're in the green.
You just walk.
Oh,
Janelle.
that's crazy!
Dude.
I love all the full art trainer art.
Guy.
If it was a woman, it'd be like 5 times more.
Oh my. R is you.
Woman.
Woman plus $1. Lick your tongue. Chloe, that's gonna be. Get our energy. Valen, no.
Oh,
Dude, they're so dirty. Ew. Clean your feet.
You just flashed me.
What? Are you good?
Okay, Janelle, your turn. How many
Alright.
cards do you have left? Bronzong. Coldness Experiment. I needed 4 of those, but I already bought them. God damn it. Rygar.
Loser?
Phantom. I think that's a like tile. That guy's kind of cute. I like him. Lagirna, and then we got a shitter.
Oh, wait, show it.
This isn't gonna be anything good now. I'm already calling it. We met the quota for this box, so we're not gonna get anything else good.
Nah, you're about to get $80.
Holy toad, are you kidding me? It may be underwhelming, last pack, but the pulls from this set have been insane. We got Pidgeot v Cabo and a full art Kieran VMAX, dude.
Guys, you'll never believe it.
It's the Valen pack. Oh.
Give me all the gold cards.
No.
Bro, check this spread.
Gosh, thanks, I'm like
Janelle, you weren't recording that whole time?
no. I gotta record this. It's Five Nights at Freddy's. Alex, do the Five Nights at Freddy's face.
Yeah!